to your 8-minute standing abs. We're gonna focus on the core muscles to flatten that belly. The first exercise is just to lift those knees using your abdominals. Think good posture. Your back is strong and straight. We're starting to use all the muscles of the core right now. Pull the belly button in, relax your shoulders, and lift those legs. That's it. Feeling it all through here. Pull, engage the abs, tighten up that tummy. That's it. The more we practice pulling in the abs, the better naturally it will be there. Nice and flat, pulled in. We got 2 more. That's it. Think tall, back is strong and straight. Last one. Beautiful. Now, next level. Bring your arms behind you. Press it back like a sit-up. And now little crunches. Little crunches. Belly button pulls up and in. That's it. Hollow out through the abs. Beautiful. Pull in the abs. Pull it in. Little standing crunches. You got this. Great. We got 2 more. Lift that belly button up and in. Last one. And relax. Okay, now let's think about strong arms, strong abs. Stretch out your arms and pull across. That's it. Now we're working the sides of the waistline. That's it, the oblique muscles. You got it, good. This will help trim and slim the waistline. There are 4 sections of the core we're gonna work today. Good. The obliques that shape the waistline, the rectus abdominis, the front of your tummy, the abdominis area that's gonna flatten that belly. That's it, and then the transverse abdominis. Good, we got 2 more. Pull across. Last one. Great. Just stretch to the other side. Think about lengthening and pull across. Good, like a crunch. You got it. Side profile and really pull in. There you go, pull in. Cinch in that waistline. You got it. You're doing great. I'm proud of you. Just keep moving and breathe. Inhale, exhale. Great. 2 more. Last one. Okay, standing up nice and tall. Bend your knees to protect the back and also to keep your back strong. Bring your elbows up towards you and little twists. Just twist through the waistline. Good. We're gonna work the abs from all angles. Twisting really works those oblique muscles, the waistline muscles. That's it. But notice the back is strong and straight. Keep your knees bent. And let's take it down. Good, take it back up. You got it. Take it down, push the elbows behind you and back up. Now hold it right here. Fingertips right here. And twist, and twist. You got it. Use your waistline, really twist it. Rotational twist helps trim the torso. That's it. Good, we got 2 more. Last one. Okay, sides of the waistline. Reach to the other side. Reach and side. Now working all through the waistline, the lower abs too. Pull in the belly button. It's just a slight reach. Really feel it. Reach further so you get all through here. There you go. Standing abs, they work. You don't even have to get down on the ground and do a crunch. Just do it right here with me. Really focus here though. Tighten up through the abs. It's all about focusing. That's it, we got 2 more. Last one, and relax. Take a deep breath, inhale, and exhale. Placing your hands under your thighs. Push against your thighs, tighten up through the tummy, and release. Now push through the tummy, feel it, tighten it up. That's it, flat, 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 and release. Now we're gonna round the back, pull the belly up and in, and flatten the back strong. Good. Nose is down to the ground. Inhale here. Exhale as you pull the tummy and tighten up those abs. Tight, tight, tight. And release. Good. Again. Inhale here. Exhale. Pull up. Exhale out all the air. And inhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale out. And release. Beautiful. Now place your leg out in front of you. Lift your chest back. Lean slightly back like you're hinging backwards. And then pull in and out. Pull in and out. You got it. Balancing on that leg. Give it a try. Pull. Great. Working those lower abs right now. Good. Lift. So you're feeling extension and crunch. Extension and crunch. 2 more. Balance is key for the core muscles. Beautiful. Let's go to the other side. So lift out, lean back. Let me see, lean back a little. Tighten up the belly, tighten up the tushy, and crunch and reach. Stand up tall. You got it. Good. Reach and crunch. Inhale, exhale here. Inhale, exhale. Lean a little more. You got it. Last 2. Give it all you got. Good crunches. Okay. Now for the side crunch. Lift your arms straight over your head. Place your foot to the side. You're gonna crunch to the side and lift. That's it. Cinch in that waistline. You got it. Beautiful. Lengthen through the spine. And now crunch. Side crunches. Beautiful. You got it. Just a couple of these. Crunch, cinch it in. Last one. Okay, to the other side. Reach your leg out. Lengthen the spine. You got it. And crunch down. Cinch in that waistline. Yes. Good. Working that belly. Working the waistline. Good. This one takes a lot of balance. So just do the best you can. But pull in your tummy. The core is tight. Your abs are engaged. You got 2 more. Last one. And release. Inhale up. And hinge down. Exhale. Hold the hinge. Lengthen the spine. Nose is down. Your neck is long. Using your hamstrings. Pull back up, 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 up. Squeeze that tushy one more time. Lengthen the spine while it lengthens your abdominals. Good. Back is strong and straight. Beautiful. And lift back up. We got 2 more now. Hands go behind you. Lift up, 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 up. Bend your knees to protect the spine. Go down nice and straight, straight, straight. Back is strong and straight. And use your abs and your buttocks to get you up. Good. One more. Here we go. Lengthen, hinge. So we're working the abs from all directions. Inhale, exhale, and release. Beautiful. Let's stretch out through the sides of the waist. Beautiful stretch. Oh, ease into the stretch. Just do the best you can. Lift, lift, lift. Wonderful. Now hold it right here. Lift up your abs. That's it. Hold it. Inhale and exhale out. Great. Okay, let's stretch through the arms and shoulders and lengthen through the abdominals now. Good. Just a few cool down stretches. Opens up through the hips. Helps your core. And to the other side. Stretch up and over. That's it. Lift up and over. Last stretch up and over. Give yourself a nice big hand. You did it. Woo! Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAustin.com, sign up for your free trial now.